old stripped door linings. Okay, so that's just spinning in there and that won't tighten at all. So here's what we're going to do. Go bit of bamboo skewer, put that in there, chop that in there, and then put a screw back. God, it's hard work doing it one-handed. Just line those up. Touch that up in a bit. So that's how I do it. I'm sure you've got a different way. If you have, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon just up here, because we're releasing these videos daily. And you can see previous ones of them, I think they're down here. But if you really want to stick around and support the channel, get some cool perks and all that kind of jazz, then there's a Patreon link down, I think there somewhere. So you stay safe till next time.